Okay, so looking at number 1, we're asked to find this composition g of f of h of x. What is your first input? X. So if we're inputting x for x, are we changing anything about h of x? No, it remains negative 3x squared. So we're putting h of x, we know if we're inputting x for x, it's negative 3x squared. We're now inputting negative 3x squared into which function? F of x. So instead of x, what am I now writing in f of x? Yes. So f of negative 3x squared, we're replacing x with negative 3x squared. So can this be simplified further? How? Yes, you can multiply 3 times. What? Yeah, negative 3. What is 3 times negative 3? Can this be simplified further? No. So this is what we're inputting into which next function? The g. So we're taking negative 9x squared plus 2 and inputting it into g of x. So instead of x, I write what? And then after, we have a plus 7. So can this be simplified further? How? You distribute the negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 9 is? Negative 4 times 2 is? Plus 7. What do we do here? So that is what g of f of h of x is equal to. 36x squared minus 1. So I was asked to just find the composition here. If I had been asked to solve, what could I have done here? Yes, difference of squares. Look, 36 is a perfect square. 1 is a perfect square. It's subtraction between them. This is split into 6x plus 1, 6x minus 1. But don't worry, we're not doing solving yet. We're going to do that 2 days from now? 2 days from now. No, that's next class. 2 class periods from now. Any more questions on this whole problem? Are we more comfortable with compositions? Hopefully. All right, number 2, we're asked to solve this problem here. Should I immediately, yes. What should I do first? Yes. Why am I not just immediately dealing with my rational exponent? Does everything have a rational exponent on it? No. We first need to get the parentheses by themselves. We're doing the opposite of PEMDAS, right? So we start with addition, subtraction. First we add 6 over. So that's negative 5, 1, 2, 0. Then what do I have to do? Why am I dividing by 5? Negative 5, sorry. Why am I dividing by negative 5? And what operation is happening between the negative 5 and the parentheses? And what's opposite operation? That's why we're dividing by negative 5. So negative 5, 1, 2, 0 divided by negative 5 is how much? Now, do I subtract 22 over? Oh, why not? Because 22 has a rational exponent, right? First, we have to get rid of the rational exponent. How do you get rid of rational exponents? You raise it to the Reciprocal power. So what's the reciprocal of 5/3? 3/5. And whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other side. Whoops. Now, on your exam, are you going to have such a massive number raised to a rational power? Oh, heck no. You can't do this in your head. So what is this? We're using our calculator. 1,024 raised to 3/5. Wonderful. Then it's just a simple algebra problem. We subtract 22 and we get, and we divide by 3 and we get. Any questions on this problem? Most everyone did really well here, which is great news. Any other questions at all on this warm-up? All right.